Fill up this glass with full of water, make it upside down, and you can clearly see this unrealistic phenomena that water is not falling on the ground. No trick was applied here. I have already been explained this unbelievable thing by a brand new exclusive explanation in my other video about why water is not falling off the upside down glass. And at the same time, I ask you a question. If I fill this glass halfway with water and bring the upside down, will the water do the same behavior or it will fall down? Most of you have replied that water will fall down on the ground. In this episode, you will see whether water from this half-filled glass will fall down or not. And then I will show you what will happen if I do the same thing with cola. Cola might fall down because it is pretty higher dense liquid compared to the water. And what about slippery non-polar liquid as shampoo or soap water? Okay, most of you are thinking maybe soap water don't work here. Well, you don't need to think so much. Give me a few minutes, you will see all of those things in this video. Let me fill this glass halfway with water and bring it upside down. If I leave my finger from this glass, still now I don't know, I'm not sure what will exactly happen here. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1, 0 and leave the finger. Hey, water does not fall down from this upside down glass. You can say this is kind of anti-gravity phenomena or anti-gravity water. Actually, anti-gravity water had not seen in our real world yet. Anyways, move the glass back and forth and shake it. Still now the water is not falling on the ground. I'm really surprised. I feel this half-filled water is strongly bonded with the glass compared to the full glass of water. So you got your answer here. But if you want to know the more details about the brand new explanation why water is not falling down from this upside down glass, visit my another video that explained in details through a scientific way. I got an interesting idea from Hakku on UK. That guy asked me what will happen if we put soft drinks or champagne in the glass instead of water. Wow, that's pretty much intellectual question. So let's see what will be if it is cola instead of water. You know, cola is pretty much higher dense liquid compared to water. So there is 50-50 chance that cola may fall down or it may remain in the upside down glass. So let's try and see what will happen. Fill the same wine glass with cola and cover it with a piece of paper and take it upside down. No, in this case I guess cola will fall down. I'm really trying to take off my hand, but you can see I feel cola is slowly coming out from this glass. I'm really scared and I'm really afraid of it. Maybe cola will fall down on my floor. Let's see. Okay, finally leave the hand and it worked. Cola is not falling down. Oh no, it's fall down. I'm sorry, it's not work in this case. In this case, cola don't stay in the glass. Reason is pretty much clear to me. It falls off the glass because cola has a lot of carbon dioxide inside of it, and which gives a certain amount of pressure on the cola liquid. As a result, cola fall down on the ground. You know, shampoo is slippery and non-polar liquid. That means shampoo water has very less interlayer bonding force in between glass surface and shampoo water. Only for that non-polar behavior, shampoo can remove any kind of dust from our hair as well as our head. It means theoretically, shampoo water should not work in this case. In scientific world, we say nothing is believable without proof. And we say, I don't want to believe, I want to know. So let's know what will happen with this shampoo water. Ah, it's working. Oh, I'm happy. I thought it will fall down. Oh yes, after a few moments the shampoo water falls down because the slippery and non-polar property of the shampoo. Well, I got one more interesting question from High Velocity Savage. He asked me, does the shape of glass matter? To follow his suggestion, I arranged 4 different shape of glasses. It is one of them. As you can see, this glasses has equal diameter from top to bottom. Almost it's flat, similar diameter. And I have another type of glass and its top is pretty higher diameter than bottom. Bottom is very small diameter, different shape. And I have a regular wine glass and I have a fatty but small volume glasses. So 4 of them are different size and shape. I will show you one by one whether the shape of the glass change the result or not. So let's first with this
wine glass that I already did last time, and I'm repeating it once again, and let's see what's happened. Fill this glass completely on top of the rim so that there is no empty space, and take one piece of papers on top of it, hold it carefully, flip it down. I hope it will not fall down. Yeah, it's not falling down. See, I showed it last time and many people told me, okay, this is magic, I don't believe it, there might be some glue or something like that. Well, there is no glue, nothing. See, it's not falling down. I'm changing the shape of glass. Next time this is conical shape. Upper side diameter is pretty much high, lower side is very small. Fill up with the water until top of the rim. Take another piece of paper, put on the top, and make sure there is no empty space. Flip it down. And see, water is not falling down. No water is falling down. Let's try with this equal diameter. Fill the glass on top of the rim. I don't have any more water. Yeah. Now take one more piece of paper. It's a little bit short paper. I hope it will work. Yeah, it's working. This equal shape diameter glass also working pretty well. And I have one more glass that is very big and fatty, and its diameter is very big, and I am not sure it will work with this glass or not, because this is very wide shape and high amount of volume. So fill this glass with water. Take another piece of big paper, put on the top. I'm a little bit worried about this glass. I think water will fall down, or maybe no. Let's see. No, water is not falling down. So what we are watching here, whatever is the glass shape, water is not falling down. If I flip upside down the glass, the water is not falling down though. So high velocity savage, I would like to say, shape of the glass doesn't matter with this nice phenomena. Yeah, it's working. Oh no, it's not very good really. Flip it and let's see what's happened. Yeah, it works. No, it's not work at all.